welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make bok choy with oyster sauce. Bok choy is such a delicious vegetable that everyone loves, and there are so many ways to cook bok choy. Today we're going to cook it with oyster sauce and shiitake mushroom. This dish is super tasty and looks beautiful on the plate. Now let's get started.
Let's start by cutting the bok choy in half. Simply slice the bok choy in the middle. Next, trim off the bottom stem of the shiitake mushroom, and then cut a little flower shape on the top so they look extra appetizing on the plate. First, cut the line in the middle, then cut with a 45-degree angle against the line we just cut. Cut on the other side with the 45-degree angle. Repeat this process one more time to get the complete pattern. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic and finely chop 1 green onion. Now we're all set for cooking. Boil a pot of water, adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Blanch the bok choy for 1 minute. Remove from water immediately. Then blanch shiitake mushroom for 2 minutes. Remove and set aside. Plate the blanched bok choy before the next step. On a serving plate, layer them into a circle shape. Now let's make the sauce. Add some cooking oil to the pan, adding garlic and green onion. Stir fry until garlic is lightly brown. Now adding water and let it boil. Season with oyster sauce and soy sauce. Stir well. Adding some Chinese 5-spice for additional flavor. Lastly, adding starch water to thicken the sauce. Starch water is simply made with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Let it boil and you can see the sauce starts to thicken quickly. Adding the mushrooms and mix well with the sauce. Turn off the fire and place the mushroom in the middle of the dish. Pour in the rest of the sauce on the plate. The restaurant-style bok choy with oyster sauce is completed. It is a super delicious and healthy dish you can make at home. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you next time.